Hey guys, it's Abby with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're going to be looking at a trailer without Ashley. Unfortunately, she is not going to be in for a few days here, so we're going to have to do this one on our own. This is going to be a 5x8 single axle enclosed trailer. This customer needed a setup for a truck washing account that he got, so we equipped it with a Hydrotech SS series washer. This is a 3000 PSI at 4.8 gallon per minute with the belt drive AR pump on there. You'll notice when you look down at the AR pump that we put a bleeder valve on. So what a bleeder valve is a way to get all of the air out of the line. That way you get a nice easy startup. And to the left of that, you'll see that they have one of the two water filters in this system. This just helps keep any debris out of your pump, out of your tank. There's another one on top of the tank to keep it out of the tank. And they're super easy to clean. That's what that ball valve to the left is for, so you can turn that and clean it out pretty quickly. Has the two separate fuel tanks for the gasoline and diesel. Stainless steel panels and coil wrap. And then we also have it exhausted out the top. Try and keep down any of the exhaust inside of the trailer. Got the 100-gallon water tank over here. The two lines you see on top, that yellow one is going to be your cool bypass. So whenever you're off the trigger, when you're washing, it's just recirculating cool water through your pump head from your water tank. So as long as you have sufficient water in your tank, then you can be off the trigger for as long as you need to be. The other line, that's going to be your other water filter from the garden inlet hose into your water tank, just to keep any grass, dirt, anything like that from dragging your hose across the ground out of your water tank. The other thing that you can see from up here is that we have the chemical resistant, slip resistant flooring. This is a great option just to keep your floor from any of the different soaps and chemicals or anything like that that you might be carrying on board, or just normal wear and tear. We'll swing around to the back and get a view of the rest of the equipment. So as I mentioned, this customer has a couple different soaps that he's going to be using. So we have two different 7-gallon tanks over here on the right hand side, and there's hoses running out of them because we have a ball valve over here, as you can see right there, and he can switch between which soap he wants to be drawing. So at the top you're pulling soap 1, bottom you're pulling soap 2 for your downstream injector. So we have a 20% adjustable injector there right under that swivel on the hose reel. These hose reels are both 18-inch general pump hose reels. The top one has 100 feet of the high pressure hose on it, but it can hold up to 300. And then the bottom has 150 feet of the 3/4 inch Flexzilla inlet hose, but it can hold up to 200. And the last thing over here is that this blue line over here with the ball valve on the end, that's going to be your tank drain. So you can add line to that hose if you want, but just pull that out and you can easily drain your tank on site, back at your garage, wherever you need to, fill up a bucket, wash your hands, whatever you need to do. So this is a pretty efficient build, nice and compact, but still enclosed, protecting all the equipment. Great for truck washing. If you have any other questions, we're gonna have this on our website. If you go into the description below, I'll go ahead and put the link. You can feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email with any other questions you have. Thanks, guys.